Guys, once again, welcome back to my channel, Craftastic Forever. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and comment down below which video you want me to do next. And this is my craft channel where you can learn how to do crafts, arts, and do DIY unboxings. So let's get started. First, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own paints with just by using brush pens. So as if you're home, the stores aren't even open, then you can use these as a substitute at your home as well. So let's get started. The only things you're gonna need are some brush pens, and you're also gonna need any type of glue. You can probably use Fevicol or any normal glue, school glue as you like. You can also use transparent glue if you want. So let's get started. First you want to do is take your tray and take any color of your liking. I want to try this seafoam color, but in the camera it looks like blue. It's actually seafoam. And you want to do is color one of the whole container. I'll finish and show you. Okay, so as you can see, I've finished coloring the container and it's a little wet, that's why I couldn't completely color it very well. Now you can do of your choice. If you want a concentrated color, don't add any water. If you don't want a very light color, you can just directly, what you want to do is add some glue in it. And by the way, it's on the consistency of the glue you're putting. The color will be dark or light. If you want pastel, add more glue. If you want a darker color, add less glue. So here I'm thinking of a middle type of color, so I'm not adding less or more. Now you want to do is take your brush and slowly mix it well. So since I did add very less amount of brush color from the brush pens, it's probably gonna be a very light pastel, I'm guessing, because it doesn't look like a medium to me, I guess. Now I've made it in a very less portion. You can also make it in a bigger portion as you like. So just sweep some and I'll show you how light or dark its consistency is. It's pretty thick. If you want it thinner, then you can add some water to it, and as you can see, it's pretty good. And the good thing about this is that it's actually pretty cool, as in when it dries it becomes super glossy and non-sticky. It also doesn't come off easily, so it's pretty good as a paint substitute. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel again and check my next video every next week, which will be on Sundays or Saturdays. So stay creative and stay sweet, and bye bye.